What's up, everybody? What's going on? Decided to make a short video here of my car. It's an Impala with quad tips. I never seen one like this before. This is the only one I see. But anyway, I'm gonna do a short video here, what it sounds like. I've been getting some compliments from people about how it sounds, and they like the sound, so decided to put this video on YouTube and see how it goes. She sounds lovely. She purrs real nice. I'm pleased with it. This is just a beginning of what my car sounds like and what I'm doing to it. I did some changes to it already. So yeah, I'm not finished yet. This is just a beginning. So let me just put the camera down. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S recording. So we go in here, start it up. Yeah, that's it. And I mean, she sounds good. She sounds lovely. This is what she sounds like inside. Real quiet. Can't really hear anything. Just listen. It's about 3,000 RPM. You can't really hear anything. Open the door. That's what it sounds like. It's real quiet. It's beautiful. Listen to the exhaust. There's water coming out. She's running beautifully. Getting better gas mileage too. It's beautiful. I mean, I'm pleased with it. I hope you guys like this video. I'll do another video driving by. So, I mean, I really do like it, man. It's nice. Alright, peace out. Thanks for watching.